The MHG Pressure Blast Cabinet, SMG 100D Compact, stands for maximum efficiency and a well-engineered space-saving design. Its robust CE-compliant construction is designed for longevity, while the graphite grey finish provides a timeless appearance. The high-performance, environmentally friendly blasting technology is precisely tailored to professional requirements. A premium LED work light with replaceable protective glass ensures uniform illumination of the spacious working chamber. The TUV-tested 33-litre pressure vessel with a robust metering valve ensures a powerful and consistent blasting process. The interaction of cyclone separator, coarse filter screen, and magnetic separation enables efficient, reproducible results. Supported by a throttle damper that allows the dust separation efficiency to be continuously adjusted. A high-performance extraction fan, in combination with a generously sized cartridge filter, guarantees reliable dust extraction and a clear view of the workpiece. Via the modern control panel with Siemens logo display, you can keep all operating statuses in view at all times, from blasting pressure through to maintenance notifications. The low-wear boron carbide blast nozzle delivers maximum precision. The safety glass viewing window with quick change frame provides a clear view of the process and can be replaced quickly if required. The SMG 100D Compact combines functionality with energy efficiency. Optional extensions, such as a pull-out rotary table or sensor technology for abrasive media fill level and dust discharge, make it a versatile all-rounder for professional applications.